Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload backend project on GitHub and share link. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So pretend that we have made our repository and now we want to upload our backend project, and you have done so with our link here. So now that you have backed it up here in your repository and you want to share the link, it's pretty simple. You can do this with this. You can either do the HTTPS or SSH link right here. So here in your HTTPS link, you can just copy this right here. So just press this copy button right here, and then you can easily just paste this wherever you want, and this will work. So let's go to incognito tab and let's try it out. So as you can see here, once we paste it, we can get a link for free, and there you go. Unfortunately, this is empty, so when you do have your backup here and you have your backend project here, you can see it. So as you can see, I have to sign in or sign up, so that means that I don't have to do anything to even see it, even though I'm not signed in. So there you go guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.